Hey guys, what's up? Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe. And today we're gonna be talking about my stuffed animals. We're gonna be naming them, and if you want a different name for some of them because you don't like how the name is, just comment down below the names, and we'll see which one I like best. So let's get started. So we're gonna start with okay, so we're gonna start with Carleigh the giraffe. Yes, my name's Carleigh. I just made that up. Okay, I just made that one up because I wanted to do a joke. This is Gigi the giraffe, Rocky the dog. He's a little cute bulldog. Hi guys. And then we got Poppy the popsicle. We got Dino. And all of these are rules, just so you guys know. We got Dino, the Squishmallow dinosaur. I love my Squishmallows. This is my cutie, Doggy Wits. What's he? Oh, good. And then we got Minnie, or Minnie. Go get. Then we got Annie. We got her older sister, Boo, and Polly. I have two Pollys. I didn't bring my other Polly because it's hard. It's barely even a play. We got Easter Dino. This is the Easter dinosaur. He's Minnie. She's Minnie. We got Chick. Got Chick, my little cutie chick. I have a blanket that is matched with this, and they didn't come together. Then we got Kissy Missy. I don't like sleeping with her because she gives me nightmares. Mommy Longlegs. My brother got Huggy Wuggy, and I'm so jealous. I had to get Mommy Longlegs. Then we got Uni, the unicorn squishmallow. Then we got Evie, the narrow squishmallow. So squishy. I love this one. Then we got Sunny, the little thick squishmallow. Alright. Then we got Lanky Bot. And then I'm gonna do a flip back into the pile. Alright. Next we got Berry the bear. She's so cute. I used to bring her to church all the time because I was bored.
I will be back in 5 minutes.
He got Pila. Pila. the beep. Oh, but we got Rita. We got Rita, the unicorn, and then we got rainbow sprinkles and color sprinkles. We got Gigi the giraffe and Mama Gigi the giraffe. Well, I always spelled that one, I'm sorry. And Baby, I got in 2022 from my grandparents. Actually, Easter. I only sleep with her on Easter and take her out. We're almost done, guys. We got Dorothy the dwarf and Baby the pig. I hope you guys liked today's video. And like I said earlier, you can subscribe, comment if you want to change the names. And here's my pile. Bye. Bye, babies.